Hey guys, so open na yung direct entry ng AFRA. Ito yung pathway 2. Ito yung mga nag-graduate on or after January 2017. So if you're a registered nurse in UK, Ireland, Singapore, US, and some parts of Canada like Toronto or Ontario, and you want to relocate in Australia, you can apply for direct registration of your nursing license. So you don't have to undergo NCLEX or OSCE na. So diretso na siya guys sa registration. But you have to be a registered nurse in those countries. And dapat nakapag-work din kayo ng I think 1,800 hours since 2017. So if you want to have like double registration or you're planning to relocate in Australia, it's a good opportunity. So check nyo na guys kasi 'di ba? If you want to work here as well. So yeah, that's it. Bye.